Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Smart Assistant in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay, you can see the Smart Assistant on the left side. So okay, if you scroll to the left, you can see the Smart Assistant. So okay, to turn off this or on is you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phones. Okay, go to setting. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the Smart Services. So okay, click Smart Services. And okay guys, here in Smart Services, okay, you can see the Smart Assistant is enabled. So okay guys, to disable this, you all have to do is click the switch button on the right side. Okay. And okay guys, your Smart Assistant is off. And to turn on again, okay, you all have to do is switch the switch button. And okay guys, I decide to turn off, and okay, we can see the Smart Assistant. So okay guys, the Smart Assistant is off. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.